Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. Maybe not vlog, but video. Today I'm going to install a kind of Bluetooth kit into the Accord Euro. So I'm going to just do a little video on it. Yeah, see how we go. Yeah, just a bit of fun. So let's see how we go. Cool. So a little bit of unboxing. So this is what I bought off eBay. It's got a Yato hi-fi decoder Bluetooth car adapter. It's got the Hon 2, so it's got a few different makers, I guess. Simple instructions on what to do. Inside, so you've got your instruction manual. Got the Hon 2, this is the adapter. And then it comes with, I guess, different cables, an auxiliary cable. Actually comes with a microphone, so I think you can hook up this into, so you can actually answer phone calls. And then it comes with the actual cable, so cable to that kind of connector. Just open this. So there we go. Whoops. Yep. So that's this. Comes. So that's the connector that goes into there. Pretty simple. And then it's got a USB and the auxiliary. Apparently the USB does 5 volts. Yeah. So I'm gonna get this installed. Sweet. So this install is pretty easy apparently. So apparently I'm supposed to remove this panel, but to remove that I need to move the gear down so I can go through the hole here. By removing that I can actually force it down with the handbrake on, of course. Then I think this comes out. I need to take the ashtray out, and that's pretty easy to come out, and that pops out, and then there's a couple screws behind there, so I'll show you that when I'm doing that. And then there's a couple more screws to take this thing out, and then underneath that should be the connector, which I can plug it in, which is the auxiliary for the Honda stereo, the CD changer auxiliary. It's just a connector. Cool, so this is my little cheat way of not having one of those plastic rubber things. So I've just got a screwdriver and just added electrical tape on it, if you can see that. Just gonna pry this bottom part off. Okay, it's probably easier just prying it this way instead of the other way. So there's just 2 clips that comes off like a saw. So now I just take these off. There's a clip here, and then there's another one there. Cool. Then so I got that off. So those are the 2 power for the heated seats. So now there's 2 screws, one underneath there, one under there. Already taken that one off. Screw in there. Cool. So I've unscrewed that and that one. Take this out. And there's one more screw underneath there. It looks like 2 screws underneath there. So that just snaps off then. And then there's some connectors for the cigarette lighter. So I'll just take those off. So the 2 clips, and then there's like a light bulb, so don't just rip it out. And once that's out, there's 1 screw just here, you can see it there, And then there's another screw there, which then this thing should come out pretty easy. Cool. Okay, so that's come out. A little bit of wiggling and it came out. So that's pretty good. So once you've done that, so underneath here, you'll see the bottom of the stereo. So here, so see this white little thing here? So that's where it will plug into. Okay, so this is the connector from the Bluetooth car adapter. So this, so I'm just gonna plug that in somehow. To here, clicked in, perfect. So I'm just gonna run this side into this side, to here. Goes into here. See how that works. Cool. So before I put everything back, I'm just gonna test it. So see how we go. Cool. Well, sorry I couldn't show you that it was working, but it works straight away. Just plug and play. Change it to CD. It's like a CD changer looking thing, and you can still use controls on the steering wheel, and that just works straight in. The USB just works. Yeah, sorry again I couldn't show you how to connect it and everything because I had to use my phone, which that's what I'm using to record all this. Basically all you do is just go to your Bluetooth settings, hit your actually look for a thing called BTA. So this is the instruction manual on how it looks like. So it's pretty simple. So here you have to connect to BTA, and then as soon as you hear got a few beeps, you're connected, and then you just try it. It should be all good. It's actually really easy. So yeah, cool. So now to put everything back. So now I'm also just thinking, where can I put this? Probably put it inside here because there's nothing really happening, but what I might do is I'll probably drill a hole in the top of that unit, which is this, and then put it inside here, and maybe double side tape it up to the top so I can at least plug the USB in pretty simply. But yeah, I'm just going to drill a hole in the top of that and feed that cable through. So see how we go. Cool, thanks. Easy. Cool, so I just made the hole bigger, also just more straighter, so I could fit this in. So fit her in, yeah, and that fits perfectly. Yeah, boom, 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 boom. Back to normal, it's all working, everything's back. I've just put it in there for now, so I'll put double-sided tape on the top, but looks clean. Cool guys, so look, I am going to install the Sirikawa, JDM Sirikawa, that I got, that I showed you guys earlier last week. So I'm going to install it. I'm thinking of installing it here, I think. So, you know, and the cool thing is that it matches the interior. So white, I know the white, but yeah, I guess not the white, but the strap is the same color as the interior, so that's cool. So let's install it. Boom. Yeah, look at that. Oh, fire. Yeah, nah, it's cool. Yeah, I just hung it on this. I don't know if anyone else has had any ideas on how else to actually install it. Opened ideas. It's a little bit tight, that's the problem, to make it straight anyway. So, but yeah, it looks awesome. It looks so good. It looks so good. Yeah, let's do some cinematics, eh?
Heat in my vein like vernacular. Cook up the beat with a spatula. Y'all are not ready for action. I'm smoking these rappers and feeling spectacular. Making a killing like massacre. Watch out, I'm whipping my wrist. Right on my city, been pissed, but I show them love. I'm not the one that's at risk. My homie told me that when people rise up against you, it's a sign of your destiny real. Fake ones been hating cause they know that one day.
Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Also like this video if you do like it. Comment below if you want to see something different with the Euro, or what you think that I'm going to do. You know, there's many more videos come and it's very exciting. But yeah, subscribe please. I would love to get monetized one day, but you know, we'll just keep chugging along. But yeah, cool. Thanks guys. Peace out. Peace.
Bluffing, interrupt your formal introduction, but I was born to win. Look at the spot that I'm